guys, it's Rachel here, back with another video. And if you can't tell by the title or tell by how my makeup is, in today's video I am going to be doing a glam look. Now, if you would like to know how I did this masterpiece right here, then keep on watching. Let's get into it. The first thing we are going to start off with today is primer. The primer that I'm using today is the OXX Studio Express Hydration Primer. And I'm just going to get that primer and I'm just going to put 3 drops on my face and then rub it all in with a beauty blender. You are going to be putting the drops, 1 on your forehead and 2 on one on each cheek. And then just get your beauty blender and just dab that all in. You can, if you want to, just put a little bit of primer on your fingers and then just put it all over your face, but I prefer to use the beauty blender because I feel that I can go a lot more further with the beauty blender than using my fingers, but it's completely up to you. Now it is time for foundation. The foundation that I'm going to be using today is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Foundation. And with this foundation, what you're going to do is you're going to take your beauty blender, when I can actually get the word right, and you're going to put a little bit on your beauty blender and dab it all over your face. Foundation is on, and the next part we are going to put concealer on. The concealer that I'm using today is the Maybelline New York Cover Stick Concealer. And what you're going to do is you're just going to take your concealer and put a little bit on the chin, on the tip of your nose, on the side parts of your nose, on the middle part of your forehead between your eyebrows, and under your eyes. With this concealer, you would also, if you want to, put it on any blemishes that you have on your face. Once all of that is done, you are just going to take your beauty blender and blend that all in. Now, once your concealer has been rubbed in, we are going to take a powder. The powder that I'm going to be using today is the Maybelline New York Matte Maker Mattifying Powder, and we're just going to take this powder and just put it all over our face to set the makeup. The brush that you'll be using for this powder is a powder brush, which is a bigger one. We're just going to take the powder and put it all over. Once you have put the powder on, we are going to take our bronzer slash contour. I don't have a contour, so I'm just going to use my bronzer as a contour. The bronzer that I'm using today is the Nude by Nature Mineral Bronzer. And we're just going to take this bronzer, we're going to take a powder brush that we just had again. We're going to put a little bit on. With this one, you do not need a lot on because it's very pigmented. And we're going to put it on the cheekbone, the side of the forehead, the front of the forehead, and underneath the jawline, when I can get the words right. Once we have done the bronzer part, we are going to do contour. I'm going to take this little slanted, it's a roundish brush. We're just going to take that, I'm going to take the bronzer and I'm going to contour my nose. Just put it down at the side of the nose, you do not need a lot. And then a little bit underneath. And now you're just going to take your powder brush again and soften that out. It is time for blush. The blush that I'll be using today is the Essence Silky Touch Blush. Yes, I've had this blush for quite a while. This is the only blush that I have at the moment. Hopefully I'll be able to buy some more products that I could try of blush and basically try them out, have a review of them, because this one is getting quite old. I've had this for a very long time. What we're going to do is we're going to take our blush brush, which is just a slanted brush, and we're going to put it on the top part here, where it's basically, in my case, it's the fullest part of my cheek, and you are just going to go up just within the above part of where you just put your bronzer. add that color. Especially considering that this is a glam look, we definitely want color. Now that our blush is done, we are going to go in with highlighter. Highlighter is probably one of my favorite things. I love highlighter. Now, the highlighter that I am going to be using today is the Nutrimetics Marbleyes Highlighter. I love this highlighter. It is a gorgeous gold. And we are going to take our blush brush that we just had. We're going to get a little bit of that and put it along the top of our cheekbones. Like, I just got glitter on me. The top of our cheekbones, a little bit on the nose, a little bit under the eyebrows, and a little bit on the cupid's bow. For our cheeks, we are going to use this blush brush, but for our nose and the cupid's bow, you can use a smaller blending brush if you would like to. Oh, the glow, the beautiful glow. Such a gorgeous highlighter. Beautiful. For the nose and the cupid's bow, you might want to take just a small slanted brush. And we're just going to take a little bit and put it on the tip of the nose like so. And just a little bit on the cupid's bow. You can also use this brush to do underneath the eyebrows if you wish. Now it is time for what you've all been waiting for, that glam eye look. Now the palette that I'm going to be using today is the Revolution Makeup Revolution London palette. The palette is called Iconic Fever. And the start off color that I'm going to use with a small eye blending brush, the start off color that I'm going to use is the color that is here, the brownish type of shade. I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it on the lid of the eye, and I'm going to flick it out a little bit just so it's got a bit of a wing to it. Okay, now once we have done that, we are going to take this dark brown shade at the end here. We're just going to take that one and we're going to put it on the end. Basically, we're going to make the same sort of wing that we just did, but only just on the end part here. So it's like a smaller wing within a bigger one. Okay, now that we've done that dark brown, now I'm going to go in with this glamorous pink shade that is just above the dark brown that we just used. I'm going to go in with that with a flat brush, and I'm just going to take that and put it on the inside of the eyelid, just underneath the crease. Now, once we finish that, we are going to take this gold shimmery color that is at the end here of the palette, and we are going to put that in from where we have the pink to where we have the brown, that just blank spot that we have there. We're going to put that there, and we're going to use a flat brush. Now this pink and gold glamour look, is it going to look well without a little bit of something underneath the eyes? What you are going to take is a small slanted brush, and we're going to take that gold color again and put it in the middle bit of the eye at the end where you have closest to your nose. Now, once you have done that, we are going to take the same slanted brush that we just used, and we're going to take the dark brown that we used for the smaller eye flick. I can't get my words right. I can't think of what I'm trying to say. And we're just going to take that color there, and we're just going to put that underneath our eyes like eyeliner. Once we've put that on, we are going to take our small blending brush and just blend the bottom part of our eye out a little bit, but not too much. Once we have finished that, we are going to take mascara. The mascara that I'm using today is the Sax Studio Mascara in Black, and I'm just going to take that mascara and do my mascara as you would on your eyes. I can't believe that just happened. Oh my god. That actually just happened. Oh my god. Quick, Rachel, fix it. Panic. Oh gosh. Okay, now once we have our mascara on, I'm going to take the Works Eyebrow Pencil, and I'm just going to do my eyebrows off camera. I will be right back. Okay, now once our eyebrows are done, I'm going to go in with the Avon lipstick, and it is it's a gold lipstick, and the number on it is, if I can see it, I don't think there's a number on this. Well, that's just great. It's basically a very, very light, well not light, but it's a very like pink. I love my effects there. I hope you guys love my effects there too. And I'm just going to put that lipstick on. Okay, now once I put that lipstick on, I am going to take the is it Bow? I don't know. I think it is. Bow Beauty Lip Gloss. I'm just going to take that and I'm just going to put it on my lips. Okay guys, that is the finished glam look. I hope you guys like it. I know I very much do. I am so loving the glam colored eyes. The glam colored eyes. Oh my gosh. The glam colored. Oh, I can't deal with myself right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you want to see more future videos like this, subscribe. Put down in the comments below how I went. Also, put down in the comments below if you want me to try out any other videos that you... I'm done. Let me know down in the comments below if you would like me to try any other videos, whether that is other tutorials or even doing product reviews or doing try-on hauls or anything like that. I would be happy to hear from you. I hope you enjoy your day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. From